Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prashigo. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how to make the best sweet cucumber pickles. If you want to see how I made this, please keep watching. All the items I'll be using include 1 cucumber, salt and sugar, cloves, onion and garlic. I'll also be needing a pot and a storage container plus some vinegar. The first thing I'll do is to dice my cucumber into the perfect shapes I want and transfer them into my storage container. Then bring out my pot. I'll be adding 1/2 cup of white vinegar. I'll be adding my 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, cloves, garlic and some onion. The next thing is to add 1 cup of water to the mixture I have on ground. It can be either hot or cold. Then I'll transfer it to my gas and boil it for about 5 to 10 minutes. After boiling, I'll switch off the gas and allow it to cool down completely before transferring this mixture into my storage container containing my cucumber. Then I'll cover it and transfer it into the refrigerator to stay overnight. And the following morning, our sweet cucumber pickles is ready to be eaten. And you can go ahead and enjoy your cucumber as you like. I like to eat mine as a side dish. If you find this video interesting, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.